Hello dear Zoom Auto family. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today we're stepping into a world where luxury, technology, and travel merge into something absolutely extraordinary. Buckle up because we're diving into the 2026 Bentley Motor Home, a rolling palace that redefines what it means to live on the road. This isn't just an RV, it's a Bentley mansion on wheels. So smash that like button and let's explore this masterpiece together. Exterior. A mansion meets a yacht on wheels. The very first glance at the Bentley Motor Home leaves you speechless. Honestly, it doesn't even look like a motorhome. With its towering multi-level design, it feels more like a futuristic yacht or even a luxury high-rise apartment cruising down the highway. At the front, you've got a massive tinted glass panel with the bold, illuminated Bentley logo right in the center. It gives the Motor Home this commanding, futuristic presence that screams prestige. The sculpted lines flow smoothly from front to back, making it look aerodynamic despite its colossal size. The LED lighting deserves a special mention. From the razor-sharp headlights tucked into the bumper to the accent strips tracing along the upper deck, it looks dramatic day and night. And let's not forget the massive alloy wheels with Bentley's signature design, wrapped in low-profile tires, ensuring that even at a standstill, this beast demands attention. But here's the jaw-dropper. The sides feature retractable glass balconies that open into private outdoor lounges. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine parking at a beachside cliff, stepping out onto your balcony and sipping coffee while watching the waves. That's not just traveling, that's living the Bentley way. Interior, a penthouse on the move. Step inside and the 2026 Bentley Motor Home takes luxury to another dimension. It's not a cabin, it's a penthouse suite on wheels. Every inch is crafted with Bentley's obsession for detail: hand-stitched leather, exotic wood veneers, polished metals, and custom embroidery carrying the Bentley name. The lower level welcomes you with an expansive lounge, featuring plush seating that feels like sinking into a cloud. There's a dining area, a gourmet kitchen with top-notch appliances, a wine cellar, and smart storage solutions. Hosting dinner in a motorhome, Bentley makes it possible, and honestly, it feels like fine dining at 60. Your lighting is fully customizable. Want a calm evening glow or a vibrant party vibe? The system adapts instantly, setting the perfect mood. Move upstairs, and you'll find the private master suite. And trust me, it rivals some of the world's best hotel rooms. A king-size bed, a panoramic skylight above you, and a walk-in wardrobe make it feel like home. Only better. The ensuite bathroom is pure luxury. Marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and even heated floors. Yes, heated floors in a motorhome. Bentley, you've officially spoiled us. There's also an entertainment zone, equipped with a state-of-the-art sound system and multiple HD displays. Whether it's a movie night or a Netflix binge, this rolling penthouse has you covered. Performance, a true Bentley at heart. Now, here's where Bentley proves this isn't just a luxury box on wheels. Under the hood, you'll find a hybrid powertrain, a powerful V8 engine paired with an advanced electric drive system. Together, they deliver smooth yet commanding performance. Despite its size, the motorhome rides like a dream. Bentley's adaptive air suspension ensures every bump feels like a minor ripple. Add in precision steering and advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise, lane centering, automated parking, and a full 360-degree camera view. And suddenly, driving. A mansion doesn't feel intimidating at all. It feels Bentley refined. Price. Exclusivity has a number. Of course, luxury like this comes at a price. The 2026 Bentley Motor Home starts at around $3.2 million, but once you dive into customization, bespoke interior themes, advanced tech upgrades, and personal design touches, the price can easily climb past $4 million. Clearly, this isn't built for the average traveler. It's for those who see every journey as part of their luxury lifestyle. If a Rolls-Royce is too common for your driveway, well, here's your answer. Final thoughts. So, dear Zoom Auto family, What do we make of the 2026 Bentley Motor Home? It's more than a vehicle. It's an experience, a fusion of mansion-like comfort, yacht-like elegance, and Bentley's legendary engineering. Imagine waking up to mountain views from your balcony, hosting a dinner under the stars, or cruising the coast in unmatched prestige. Bentley has turned the dream of road luxury into reality. That's all for today's review, my friends. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. And tell me in the comments, if you owned this palace on wheels, where would your first destination be? Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, and keep the passion for cars alive. See you in the next video.